So today we're back at it with the Clk and its weird idle issue. I'm inside the car because it's windy as hell, so I'm going to try my best with this, but we're like right next to an open field and the wind just blows straight across, so I'm sorry if the audio's bad, but yeah, today we're going to try and change the throttle body. So I've got down here another throttle body off one of my spare engines. Should be good. It's not exactly the cleanest one, but it does work. So I'm going to try swapping that. Now, I'll make the point that I don't believe the issue, once my finger's out the way of the camera, I will make the point that I don't believe the issue is actually down to the throttle body. I don't believe it's that at all. But for the sake of diagnosis, I'm going to try it. Could be proven wrong, but I think the issue is more likely to be something to do with the timing or the ECU. So we're going to have to see, but at some point I am going to check the timing chain and see where we go from there. If the timing chain is heavily worn, then we're going to change it. It's surprising how much horsepower you can lose through that. So not too much yapping, let's jump into it, and yeah, we'll get stuck in under the hood. Right guys, so we're out of the car and got everything set up, so I'm going to just jump into it and time lapse this. So 7mm Jubilee clips and a 5mm Allen key for the throttle body. Biggest thing to be careful of is not to damage that rubber pipe. So yeah, let's get into it. Sorry if it's windy. So after a short time lapse, a very short time lapse, it's a fairly quick job anyway. I mean, I've been at it about 10 minutes, so yeah, it's a quick, easy to do job. Why has the camera gone out of focus? So I've done a reset on the throttle position, so let's see how it works. Now the car's not up to temperature, it has had time to cool down from the school run this morning, so far I can still feel that mild kind of misfire. I am sat on the sill at the minute, but we'll see how it is low down when it's dropped its idle back down to where it should be. May take a minute or two. Like I say, I don't believe this to be the cause of the problem, but something that won't help is while I was taking it all apart, I noticed the gasket for the throttle body was not very good seal, so I might do something about that, some RTV or something. But yeah, that's definitely still there. You can see that. And I can really feel it. It's actually almost mildly worse. Let's go under the bonnet again. Wow. Phone couldn't work that out. Yeah, in fact I'm actually going to go back to the old throttle body because it doesn't like this one. so after all that, it's about where it was. The only difference was the other throttle body looked in worse condition than mine, and it did make the situation a little bit worse. The car didn't like it as much, so obviously, as you saw, I put it back to the original throttle body. Yes, there could be a small leak after the throttle body with the way this is designed. The gasket for the throttle body just it's too old. It's knackered. So what I might do is try sourcing a new gasket for that. But like I say, only made it worse, didn't make it any better. So I don't think it's the throttle body still. But I thought I'd show you guys, have a go. It may save you guys some money in buying a throttle body if you find out it isn't that. So yeah, that's where we're at. So thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Hope this video has been a little bit better. I've tried to be a little bit more creative with it. But yeah, thanks guys, and don't forget to subscribe.